Hey guys, Ohio Drone Repair Team. My name is Ethan. Today we're going to be going over the new Autel Alpha drone, a very big competitor to DJI, and we're excited to unbox this thing. We're going to test fly it, show you all the features of it, and let's jump right into the video. Alright, so we're going to get to the unboxing of this thing. The Autel is very similar to the Matrice 350 and the M30T. You guys probably know what those drones are. But this is what you get in the box. So some screwdrivers and everything, just in case you're down for a little bit, you got some tools. This is the drone, so it's a little bigger than the 30T. It's around the same size as the 350. It's around the same capacities and weight and everything. So you're gonna get the arms folding out, just like the 30T. Like this right here, and you're probably looking, where's the camera? Well, the cool thing about this right here is you can swap cameras on it. With the 30T, you cannot do that. So that's a cool feature that this drone has too. What else you're gonna get with it is the 7.9-inch remote. The nice thing about this here is it's a lot bigger than the 30T or the RC Plus remote. You're gonna get a better brightness on here. So like today, it's a sunny day. I'm cooking in the sun. You're going to be able to see this perfectly. The 30T, you might not be able to see in such a sunlight like this. So that's cool right there. And it's a lot bigger than the RC Plus remote. You're going to get that right there. And then the fun part, my favorite part, the camera. Look at this thing. Look at that. So this camera is going to be thermal, 560 times digital zoom. This thing's a crazy camera. We're gonna put it up. We're gonna do some zoom tests on it, see what we can get out of it, but super good camera. I've been very impressed with this camera. So let's put this thing on. I'll show you how to put it on the drone. We'll get this box out of the way. There's nothing else really in here. There's extra gimbal dampeners. You got a little squeeze toy just in case you get some dust on that lens. Extra props. And then I'll show you guys the batteries. I love how they just say drone on here. They don't say what model or anything. It's kind of funny. In the back, you're going to get two batteries, just like the 30T and the 350. 47 minutes of flight time, hot swap capable. So let's say you're on a mission and everything and batteries die. Instead of turning the drone completely off, you just take one battery out, put a new one in, the other battery out, put a new one in. Instead of turning the drone off, you have it automatically on, basically. So that's a cool feature they added to this drone. You also could put different accessories on here. You could put lights on it. You can put a speaker module. Don't think we have that today, but that could be another video we'll show you how to do. So you're going to take this thing off right here. Then you're going to line the red dot up with the red dot on here. There we go. Twist right. And you're going to hear a little click. And then it's all locked in and everything to go. Next, we're going to be booting everything on. First, we're going to remove these propeller guards. You don't want those on there while flying that drone. Alrighty. So a couple features on this thing. I'll show you some of the things you can plug into it. On the right side of the drone, you're going to get a micro SD card slot. You're going to get a USB-C. This is for accessories and everything to plug like a lighter speaker in. And you're going to get two of those, which is really cool. On the left side, you have another couple features. You're gonna have another USB-C to plug accessories into, so you can put a dropper kit on there. You're gonna have another one, so that's 4. And then you're just gonna have a regular USB-C for charging stuff. So this is gonna have 4 ports to put accessories on. So you can run a speaker, you can run a spotlight, you can run a dropper kit, and you can run some other things as well. Whatever you want, whatever you use it for. So that's some really cool features on this drone. It comes with so many capabilities. It's just awesome. Let's turn this thing on. Another cool feature is this has so many sensors. So it's gonna have 2 in the front, 4 on the side, 2 in the back, and then on the bottom, you're gonna have 1, 2. So let's just say you're not gonna be hitting any trees, hopefully. Unless you have it in sport mode, then you're kind of done for. So to power these things on, it's a little similar to DJI. Instead of tapping and holding, you're just gonna hold once. It's gonna make a loud beeping sound. Same thing with the remote. You're gonna tap and hold. You're gonna hear a little beep, and then you're gonna be all good to go. You're gonna hear the booting process. That's gonna stabilize and everything too. Cool thing about this drone is it's waterproof as well. This one's going to be IP55 rated, so you're going to have that water resistant. Let's say you're running in the rain and everything, doing a search and rescue. You don't have to worry about it breaking in the rain. So the M350 is the same way, and the M30T is waterproof as well. Alrighty guys, so this does not have a micro SD card slot. It has 128 gigabytes of internal storage. First, we're gonna go to calibration. I always try calibrating all the stuff just to make sure. This is an expensive drone. You wanna make sure everything's working before you test flight this thing. It looks like we're ready to go. So let's take off in 3, 2, 1. Also, I'm going to turn this to recording as well too, so you guys can see the actual quality of this too. So we're going to press record. There we go. So we're going to zoom on this tower right here. So first we're going to go to 35 times. We'll go, yeah, 70 times. We'll zoom up right on this tower. So far, that's 70 times zoom right there. You can see that. That's insane. Only 70 times. Okay. Next we're going to go to 140 times. Okay, not too bad. Let's move this over a little bit. 280 times. Okay. And then we're going to go all the way into 560 times. That's impressive right there. We're going to go back to wide and then zoom. We're zooming up on that little light right there. Like that's pretty crazy. We're going to go back to wide. We're going to take it up to 300 feet. See what we can see this way. Oh, we got a vulture around us. Look at this thing. Oh, look at that thing up there. Alright, next thing we're going to do is IR. IR is pretty good as well. Let's say you're doing like a deer recovery, search and rescue and everything. IR comes in very handy to finding heat signatures. As you can see on the ground right here. Chase, if you want to move over there a little bit too, you can see. There, Chase. Yep, there's Chase right there. And you can also do recognition. And you can see him walking right there too, which is really sick. You also can do different colors as well too. So, depends in the scenario on how cold or how warm it is. The heat signature layout can be different, so you can always customize the settings and everything too, which is very good. So you can see people a lot better. So like that right there, that's pretty good. You can see he stands out so much better in that than in this right here. But it's all preference as well too. I think that basically covers just a basic know-how on the Autel. Let's land this sucker in this grass. And it's gonna land automatically like that. Pretty sick. If you guys are interested in getting one of these drones, the kit, we have a couple different kits that allow drone repair. If you just want the basic combo, 2 batteries, remote, and the drone, you're looking around $20,000 for the kit. If you're wanting like a deer recovery or public safety kit, you're gonna get extra batteries and everything. You're gonna look around $25,000, $26,000. And then speaker and spotlight kit and everything. So it depends on what you're using the drone for. We have a couple different kits, and we could also make you kits as well too. So if you want a customization one, we can definitely do that as well. So if you guys have any questions, please leave them in the comments. We'll be happy to answer them. And then we'll be doing some more of these videos with Autel, as we are now a certified Autel dealer and repair center. So thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down below, and you guys have a wonderful day and fly safe out there.